Is Bluetooth not turning on your Samsung phone? No worries, this usually happens due to a small connectivity issue. It's important to fix it because without Bluetooth, you can't connect wireless earbuds, smartwatches, or other devices. In this video, I'll show you how to solve it by adjusting some key settings on your phone step by step. Solution 1. Change Bluetooth map. Open Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Developer Options. Make sure to turn it on. After that, scroll down and find out Bluetooth map. Tap on it. Now tap Bluetooth map version. Change it to 1.4. Solution 2. Check the hardware test. First of all, make sure to install the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Open the app, then tap Diagnostics, then tap Phone Diagnostics. Scroll up, tap Bluetooth. Tap Allow. It's showing normal to me. That means there is no hardware issue. Solution 3. Enable Bluetooth HCI Snoo block. Go to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Developer Options. Make sure to turn it on. After that, tap Enable Bluetooth HCI Snoo block. Then tap Enabled. If still you are facing the same issue, then follow my last solution. Solution 4. Reset Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Scroll down again. Tap Reset. Scroll down. Now tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap Reset Settings. Wait for a while. After that, go ahead to reconnect your Bluetooth and check whether your issue is solved or not. Hope that fixed your issue. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.